In this video, we are going to install WebLogic. If you already have WebLogic or you are using a different server, please skip this video. To install WebLogic, so first I'm just going to go into my C drive and create a folder called Oracle Weblogic Demo. I'm just going to install WebLogic in that folder. So I'm going to open Google and just type in WebLogic 12, I'm sorry, and type in WebLogic 13.1.3. Generally the first link. Just we're going to accept the terms and conditions. Make sure we have the correct version, and we're just gonna download the generic. So Oracle will want you to either sign in if you have already an account. If not, you need to create an account. Creating an account is it's free, so you just have to fill in these fields. And once you are done and create an account, it should start downloading. I already have an account, so I'm just gonna sign in to my account. And so let's sign in. And you see that the moment you click sign in or create an account, after you fill in the fields, it's gonna start downloading. So I'm just gonna save the WebLogic in the folder that we just created under C directory. So we're gonna go to our directory. We call it Oracle Weblogic Demo. So we are going to save it over there. You can save it anywhere. I just want it to be saved in the same folder, just because if something happened next time, I just know what is it at. So now after downloading, we need to install it. To install it, we need to open the terminal, and we need to open it as an admin. So let's just go get the link. Where is it at? So we're just gonna copy the link or copy the path, and we are gonna cd to the path, and now we are in the actual path. After we cd to our path, we are going to go locate our Java and get the path of our Java. So here we have Java JDK 1.8 bin that java.axe. So if you installed your Java elsewhere, you just go and find the path to your Java bin, JDK Java bin JSK, and then we're just gonna do -jar, and then we're just gonna find where we saved, and we're gonna type the name, and then you're gonna hit enter. And the installation is going to start. After this installation starts, you can just click next. It's going to tell you where you want it to be installed. We're just going to browse into it. We are going to save it in the same file that we created, or the same folder that we created earlier. So it's called WebLogic Demo. And we are actually going to create it under that class, and we are going to add another folder called middleware. So we are going to save it under another folder called middleware. You can save it anywhere you want. That's what I chose. Just remember the path. So you keep it a WebLogic server. We click next, and then it's going to install. Then next. Here, just uncheck this. Yeah, just say yes to that box. After that, just click install, and now it installing the WebLogic. We're just going to wait for it to install, and we'll get back when that's done. So after the installation is done, we just click next, and after that, click finished. And now we have to create a domain. We're just gonna keep it the same, keep everything the way it is. We're not going to change anything, and we're just going to click next. Make sure that create new domain is selected. Just leave it the way it is. Click next. Now, this is a very important step because you need to choose your password and your username. Make sure you write this down because we are going to need it later on. So whatever the username and the password you chose, just write them down because you are going to be using them later on. So we're going to click next, and then we're going to leave them all the same the way they are. Here you have to select the admin server, and then go next, leave this the way it is, then next, and then click create. And now what's happening is we are creating a domain under our server. So we click next. Make sure to choose start the admin server, because once you start the admin servers, we are going to know whether the installation was correct or not. So after you click start web servers or admin server, you are going to see that there is a lot of things happening, and then you are going to see that the servers will change to running. And the moment you see that your servers will change to running means that your installation was correct, and you were able to install your server. So now let's add our server to our Eclipse. To do that, we are going to start our Eclipse. Make sure you select your correct workspace. This is my workspace. And then after that, you're gonna go to server. You are gonna click add or create servers, expand. We're gonna go to Oracle. So we installed 12.11.3. Make sure you select that, click next. So we have to go select, so we have to go find our WebLogic home. So we install it under C, and we install it under Oracle Weblogic demo. So we are going to select this folder, which is WL server. And you see just from selecting that, it was able to select everything. And we are going to also show Java and make sure that Java is GTK. Then we're going to do next. And then we are going to go select our domain. And then we're going to do next and do finished. And now what happening is, so the server, so our workstation is being linked to our server. So now we added our server to our Eclipse.